All right, welcome back. We got the car charging. I thought this thing would take like a couple of hours, but actually it takes a whole day. Got the charger here placed on the floor. So what I'm gonna do next is we're gonna hop inside the car because I need the climate controls in order to bleed the system. So that's what I'm talking about, baby. You heard that? Yep. Put this all back together. Then we can start bleeding the system. Yep, I still got a couple more things to put together. Okay, so this head unit is not working. I don't know why, but I spent a couple of hours on it yesterday and it's just not working. I believe it has something to do with this adapter cord. I don't know, if you guys know, just hit me up in the comments, but right now I really don't feel like messing with this again. I'm just gonna remove it. We're gonna put the old one in after we get the climate controls working, and then we will open the reservoir and start the car. And you know, I still gotta zip tie some things, guys. I gotta zip tie some things, please. Let's go. And just like that, everything is back to the way it was before. So let's get into the engine and start zip tying things. All right, guys, so we're just gonna send it. I'm just gonna crack the garage a little. Just gonna open up this reservoir. I'm gonna let the car drink deep. I'm gonna let the car drink deep. That should be, let me turn on, right? Yep. All right. Let's make sure this is like, the charge pipe is still hanging off, and believe me, I've been struggling. Hopefully we have enough room here. If not, let's crack this garage door. There we go. And it's just gonna keep on cycling, and you can hear it. It's gonna take about like 12 minutes for this to go down. If you listen close. Not leaking, we're good. Okay, so we bled the system, got the garage cracked. Let's give it a start and see what happens. Ugh, boy, don't feel me now, bloody up. Let's go. Ooh, it's kind of choppy. I also found another problem, but I'm not gonna say anything about it in this video. But we're just gonna let it go and cycle through this. I'm gonna keep on pouring more coolant back into the engine over and over and over again until it's done. And that's it, guys. If you like what you see, I'll see you in the next one next week. All right, guys, so now I want to show you the recommended way to bleed the engine. Close the reservoir cap. Close the bleed screw. We come on over to the inside of the car. Put the car in auxiliary or accessory. Turn the temperature all the way up. Put the fan on the lowest setting. And then press the pedal down for 10 seconds. You should hear the electric pump. And it says, do not open the reservoir while the electric pump is running. Just let it do its thing. That's it, guys.